When's the last time you were on a 7-day vacation?
4 years ago.
Not while you were with me, and we've been together for 4.5.
More than 4 years ago.
Breakfast? What the heck?
Tater tots there. And tater tots instead of goat cheese.
Our cooler, it's grapefruit juice.
Thank you.
Blended mint and a splash of
Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Great, thank you.
Cheers.
Out here, this is insane.
So cute. Oh my god, there's a little room. Happy kid?
It's great. Yeah.
Well-deserved vacation for you. What is that, Ev?
Vegan cup?
A vegan cup. Alright, let's try it out.
Don't know what it is, but I like the name.
Oh,
Zucchini linguine pesto?
wow. Fresh summer roll. Turned my sarong into a cape. Can't take me anywhere. And we are off to check out the spa. Are we getting couples massage?
Couples massage.
Couples massage? What kind of couples massage?
Special couples massage. This is
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your stay.
Thank you. I like that. That's a good one for you. Perfect job is looking for me, and we are brought together now. We're off to dinner on the beach.
oh wow.
We are engaged. Evan surprised me, and I'm really excited to hear all about the story and the journey of all the stress he's probably been under. It's gonna be a great night.
Love you, Liz.
Are we excited about this cauliflower rice?
Unbelievable.
I love cauliflower rice.
Not like that.
I know, not like that. That's not you. That's not your vibe.
That's not right.
That's not right. That's not right.
That's so nice.
Should we take a bath? Or should we go in the pool? What do you think?
Let's take the pool.
Yeah, what's it? Instead of bringing the box with us and the ring in the box, Evan brought the ring in the bag here and the box separate in case.
Security would open it. But I didn't want security to open in front of you. I wasn't afraid of TSA knowing about it. Moving the surprise from Mr. TSA.
How does it feel?
Great.
Day one, engaged, we had a great night. You gonna build a moat?
I already have one.
Oh, Ev.
See? Look.
Wow, you protected it. Second lunch here at the hotel. This is a green raw soup. It looks insane. What'd you get, Ev? Fried noodles? Evan got some fried
noodles
fried-
and beef gazpacho.
And look at the beef gazpacho. Goodbye, beautiful room. One night in the most magical place of our life for the most magical night of my life. Thank you, Ev. Off to yoga bright and early. Pretty driveway behind me. Sprinklers going. We are ready to Shavasana. and chill.
The right one.
We're just on a bike ride and we found a banana plantation. A plantation. I'll show you guys what this place is about. Yeah. Banana plantation. A banana plantation looks like. Coconut tree. This is a coconut. I don't think it's very ripe yet, and there's an angry bee, so hopefully it doesn't sting me. I want the coconut! I want the coconut! Alright, I can't get it, I don't know.
Gotta work for your fruit.
Gotta work for it.
It's a young Thai coconut.
Work. Oh, it's a young, where are we? Parrot cake coconut. It's not from Thailand. Alright, we're gonna take it home. This is what the bananas start as a flower, and then they just burst, I guess. So the red one opens up.
Each one of these become a banana.
So
Oh yeah,
this
you
is the
see, this looks
flower.
like a wow.
It peels
that's so
back,
cool.
and then you've got the bananas. This is actually a banana plantation, and this is a banana leaf, I guess, or flower. And then this actually peels back, this big bulbous thing, and out sprouts crazy amounts of bananas. Picking his first banana.
It's great.
The trail ended without it snowing. Ooh, it's opening! Drink it!
Yeah.
You drink it first.
I'm not sure where it's leaking. Ah, wow. Oh,
What?
Wow.
Wow.
back in the day, you had to work for your food.
Yeah. And then what?
Took a lot of energy for your food.
Not only were you ready for it by the time you got it, but you appreciated it. You didn't eat it as fast. Someone else?
Great.
Oh, this one's very different than the ones we don't make. Interesting. Is there a little bit left? Honest answers, don't prepare, okay? When was the moment you decided that you wanted to marry me?
Within 48 hours of when I proposed. We got that.
So why did you wait 4.5 years?
It took that long to decide.
But in the future, could you see a time that you would want to marry me?
Just some advice.
Yeah.
If you're going to be an interviewer, you got to
Okay.
work on delivery of the question.
Okay, next question.
From DC on, you've been just
So
an
the past
angel.
6 months.
You've been an angel.
Okay. When was the first moment that you said that you knew you loved me?
Rosemary time?
Yeah. I'll tell you guys that story another time. What's the biggest surprise about dating me? Something that people probably don't know about me.
Every day is a surprise. Every day.
Why?
Every day I get surprised.
In a good way or a bad way?
Oh,
Okay.
oh.
What are some of the good surprises I do?
Yesterday, I was surprised your pants were on backwards. It surprised me.
It surprised me too in the middle of yoga. God damn it, pants are on backwards. Favorite thing about me?
You're cooking.
How many different rings did you look at before you chose my ring?
Tons.
Tons?
Tons of diamonds and then tons of rings.
Really? Did you ever go into a store to look at rings?
Not without you, no.
And we never did that, so.
Hotel?
First massage at this hotel. Couples.
This resort. It's not
Do you
a
like
hotel.
getting massages with me?
Love it, yeah. She talks a lot, but I still like having you there.
I can't help it. I get really
All
good
sorts of
questions.
questions. All sorts of. So where should we eat dinner on Wednesday night? You're very relevant, time sensitive.
Well, thank you for agreeing to have one with me. That was very kind of you.
I like your energy. It's there.
Likes my energy. I like your energy. Gives me so much romance.
Shoot. That's probably cheap.
My fiance. What was your favorite part?
The hot towel under the neck.
Favorite were my calves because we've been walking on the beach, so I really felt that. And least favorite, I never understand this one. Give me your fingers. Like,
The pluck.
yeah, like why are we doing this? Why are they plucking my fingers? I don't understand.
Circulation for your fingertips. Circulation.
It was less than a pluck, but other than that, great.
It's for good digestion.
It's reflexology for the hand.
It's for digestion.
He's just making that up.
And I think it was great though.
Yeah, it was
very good.
great.
I didn't get my fingers plucked.
Oh. Tell me one more time your greatest realization while I do massage.
You learned how to react differently.
What would you say? We're always gonna fight?
Always, that it's inevitable there'll be another fight. How you respond to it. You've evolved in the way you respond.
What I used to do.
You react. You have to put all your belongings as quickly as you can into a garbage bag and then walk out. And then realize after you walked out, I think, that you weren't sure where you were going. You probably just sat on the curb with all your stuff in a garbage bag. I always felt that was a silly way to respond.
What do I do now?
Now, you do what normal people do. Now you just go in your room for 15 minutes and cool down.
You said that now I only take 10 to 15 minutes to cool down. I used to take...
24 to 48 hours.
It's a big difference.
Huge difference. Huge.
Alright, I look forward to fighting with you in the future. Just so we can make up and move forward and grow. Love you. Goodbye, Villa. Thank you for a wonderful stay, keeping us safe, having a great time. Hopefully we will be back. Till next time. Good times, huh?
Great times.
Fortunately, I get to go home with this guy.